Yeah. So fourth topic is keep your eyes on the prize. Let's see. Most of us never really focus. We constantly feel a kind of irritating psychic chaos because we keep trying to think of negative, too many things at once. Actually, कोई भी इंसान रियली फोकस ही नहीं करता है. We constantly feel a kind of irritating psychic chaos. Means माइंड में एक ही टाइम सब कुछ घूमता रहता है. हम क्या करें हमको ही पता नहीं है. Because we keep trying to think of too many things at once. There's always too much up there on the screen. हमेशा आगे बढ़ने का चांस रहता ही है. Too much up there in the string. There is always too much up there on the screen. Screen means mind में बहुत सारी चीजें up means ऊपर रहती है. There was an interesting motivational talk on the subject given by former Dallas Cowboys coach Jimmy Johnson to his football players before the 1993 Super Bowl. I told them that if I laid a 2 by 4 across the room, 2 by 4, everybody there would walk across it. Everybody there would walk across it, and not fall. Because our focus would be that we were going to walk the 2 by 4. But if I put that same 2 by 4 10 stories high between two buildings, only a few would make it. Only a few would make it because the focus would be on the falling. Because focus is everything. The team that is more focused today is the team that will win this game. Johnson told his team not to be distracted by the crowd, the media, or the possibility of losing, but the focus on each play of the game itself, just as if it were a good practice session. The Cowboy won the game 52 by 17. There is a point to that story that goes goes way beyond the football. ये जो स्टोरी है वो फुटबॉल के बाहर भी है. Most of us tend to lose our focus in the life because we were perpetually worried about so many negative possibilities rather than focusing on 2 by 4. We worry about all the ramification of falling. We worrying about all the ramifications of falling. Rather than focusing on our goals, we are distracted by our worries and fears. But when you focus on what you want, it will come into your life. When you focus on being happy and motivated person, that is who you will be. जे जो हम फोकस करते हैं वो ही हमारी लाइफ में आता है. हम फोकस ही नहीं करते एक्चुअली. हम डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय वी आर डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग बाय आवर वरीज एंड फियर्स. ये इसलिए हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पड़ते. यही एक रीजन है.